Hi guys, Cooking with Dad here. Today we'll be making crispy chicken breast, resulting in chicken that's crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. If the chicken breast is 1 inch in thickness or less, skip this step. If it's greater than an inch, butterfly the chicken as shown, or to be safer, cut it lengthwise as suggested in the recipe. Next, season the chicken with salt and then coat the chicken with an egg wash, allowing the excess to drip back into the pan. Dredge the chicken in a breadcrumb mix and press the crumbs onto the chicken to cover it completely. I'm using a spoon here to minimize the panko drag out of the pan. Place the breaded chicken onto a wire rack and allow it to rest for 20 or 30 minutes in order for the crust to set. In the meantime, preheat your oven to 425 degrees and season your skillet. Add 3 tablespoons of oil to the skillet at medium-high heat. Let the oil come to temperature before adding the chicken. Saute the chicken for about 3 minutes or until golden brown. When the crust is golden brown, flip the chicken over and then transfer the chicken to the oven to complete the cooking process. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes at 425 degrees. Remove the chicken and check for doneness. Using a meat thermometer, it should be 165 degrees. Depending on your oven settings and chicken thickness, this time may vary. The key is to cook it until it's done and not to overcook it. When it's done, remove the chicken, plate the chicken, and serve it. Thanks for watching, and check out cookingwithdad.net.